The biggest threat to our planet is that someone else will save it. A comprehensive guide to houseplant terminology. Elevate your indoor gardening knowledge. Hello, plant enthusiasts! In today's exciting video, we're delving deep into the captivating world of houseplant terminology. Whether you're just starting your green journey or you're a seasoned plant parent, this guide is designed to enhance your understanding of indoor plants. Let's jump right in. Jump right in. Botanical names. Our journey begins with a closer look at botanical names. We'll unveil the logic behind these scientific names, exploring their significance and how they serve as a universal language among plant lovers worldwide. Photosynthesis. Navigate to the heart of your green companions as we unravel the magic of photosynthesis. Learn how light, water, and carbon dioxide come together in a fascinating dance to create the energy that sustains your indoor jungle. Humidity. Explore the delicate dance of humidity within your indoor haven. From understanding the humidity preferences of different plants to practical strategies for maintaining the perfect environment, we've got it all covered. Propagation. Dive deep into the art of propagation, including cutting, Pajosh. Explore various methods and uncover the secrets of multiplying your plant family through stem cuttings, leaf propagation, and more. Fertilizer. Navigate the fertilizer aisle with confidence. Decode the components of fertilizers, understand the mysterious NPK ratios, and tailor a nutrient-rich feeding plan to keep your plants flourishing. Pruning. Become a master sculptor in the world of pruning. Discover when and how to trim your plants for optimal growth, health, and aesthetic appeal. Root-bound. Explore the often overlooked issue of root congestion. Recognize the signs, understand the impact, and learn the steps for successful repotting to ensure your plants thrive. They are purifying allies, plants with a knack for purifying the air by banishing harmful elements and pumping out fresh oxygen. Plant training. Techniques and tricks to guide a plant's growth, including supportive structures and growth-boosting tactics. Plant configuration. The overall shape and structure of a plant, encompassing growth patterns, leaf arrangements, and flower displays. Mist magic. Spritzing the surroundings to up the humidity and keep your plant pals content. Don't forget to like, and I will be happy to write your comments. Repotting routines. Giving your plant a change of scenery by moving it to a new pot, providing more room to stretch and grow. Congratulations on completing this immersive guide to houseplant terminology. I hope your journey into the green world has been enlightening. If you found this video helpful, show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Until our next exploration, happy planting!